morning students, my name is Ramsha Munawar and I am your English teacher. Today we are going to do the topic numbers. As in our topic number, there are singular and plural. Singular means only one person, one animal or a thing. Means we need to talk only one person, one animal or one thing, means one thing. And secondly, we have plural, means more than one person, animal or thing. Like in singular, we need to talk only one person, and in plural, we need to talk to more than one person, place, anything. There are some rules of singular plurals or numbers. The first rule is we usually add s at the end of the noun to make it plural. हम first rule में क्या करते हैं बेटा, s लगाते हैं last पे उसको plural बनाने के लिए. Then we have the second rule in which we need to add es to the noun ending in double s, sh, ch और x. जिन साउंड्स के या जिन वर्ड्स के लास्ट पे हमारे पास ये अल्फ़ाबेट्स आएंगे लाइक डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच और एक्स, उनके लास्ट पे हम क्या लगाएंगे, ई एस, उनको प्लूरल मेक करने के लिए. देन वी हैव टू मेक द प्लूरल इन अ कॉन्सोनेंट्स बिफोर वाई वी रिमूव वाई एंड एड्स आई ई एस. जहाँ पे जिन वर्ड्स के साथ हमारे लास्ट पे वाई आएगा, वाई को रिमूव करके हम आई ई एस पुट करेंगे टू मेक इट प्लूरल. Then we have the last rule to make the plural ending in f. अब जो words हमारे f और fe पे end होते हैं, उनके last को हम f और ef को remove करके yes लगाएंगे ताकि वो plural make हो सके. This is our whole concept about numbers. Now we will move to the exercise of that chapter. Okay. Now open your grammar books, page number 20. There are the exercise of that numbers. This page we are done with our board work. Now we will move to the exercise in which you can learn different singular plural. Like first is door, doors, owl, owls. We need to put s at the last so that it make it plural. Map, maps, line, loins, mango, mangoes. As mango has the last word of o, that's why we put es in the last to make it plural. Then we have boy. As you can see, Y is the last alphabet over there. We need to put S over there to make it plural. Lock, locks, star, stars, dish, dishes, glass, glasses, box, boxes, knife, knives. As knife have FE at the last, we need to remove FE and put VES to make it plural. Then we have wife. Same case is that, like we need to remove FE and put VES to make it plural. Hoof, hoofs, table, tables, mobile, mobiles. Now let's practice the filling in the blanks. Filling in the blanks with the plural of the given singular nouns in the bracket. But this is the exercise, we need to do it by ourselves because we have given the word in singular form. We need to make it its plural one. Okay. I have two. पेंसिल आपके पास सिंगुलर में है, इसका प्लूरल करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, पेंसिल्स. I have two pencils. The children were eating dash. ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास है mango. The plural form of mango is mangoes. We need to put es at the last to make it plural. The children were eating mangoes. 3 lions chased the deer in the forest. Lion is in the bracket. We need to make a plural of it. So we need to put s at the last of line. So it makes lines. There were many trees in the garden. We put s after tree because tree is in the bracket. We bought 2 jeeps for the new house. There are 12 months in a year. We saw many horses during our visit to jungle. I have 2 knives. There are 6 boxes in the packet. Stay away from the garbage as it has many flies on it. As you can see, we have different words in the bracket and we make it plural of it. We need to put s or es in the last of the words. As we can see here, it is the knife in which the last alphabet is fe. We need to remove fe with ves to make it its plural form. Okay, then we have box, boxes, fly, flies. As fly have the last alphabet y, we need to remove y and put ies to make its plural. Hopefully you are done with this page, page number 20. Now move to page number 21. This is the matching exercise. Like we have singulars and plural in matching form, we need to match it on with the right one. Okay. The first one is orange. The plural is oranges. Jeep, jeeps. Kite, kites. Gift, gifts. Girl, girls. Room, rooms. Lock, locks. Hurt, hurts. Plant, plants. Camel, camels. Bowl, bowls. Paper, papers. As you can see, I matched the word with the plural, singular with the plural, to make it a proper sense of matching. All you need to do is hold a pencil in your hand and match to the appropriate plural of the singular. Okay? Hopefully you are done with that. Let's learn the different words given to us for our vocabulary, like spelling of the word, different words. First word is temple. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Then we have shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Then we have mail, M-A-I-L, mail. Then skyscraper, S-K-Y, sky, S-C-R-A-P-A-R, scaper. Poison, P-O-I-S-O-N, poison. Enquiry, E-N-Q-U-R-Y. Blackberry, B-L-A-C-K, black, B-E-R-R-Y, berry, blackberry. Weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Then we have the last word, pepper, P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. So hopefully you are done with the numbers and you have learned a lot from this. As a group of words which give us complete sense is called sentences. वो वर्ड्स का ग्रुप जो हमें एक कंप्लीट सेंस दे वो क्या कहलाता है? सेंटेंस. वो क्या कहलाता है? सेंटेंस. नाउ टू बेसिक टाइप्स. हमारे पास सेंटेंस के अंदर दो चीज़ें हैं उसकी बेसिक टाइप्स, लाइक सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. इन दिस सेंटेंस, लाइक इमरान इज माई ब्रदर, subject is Imran. We need to put it in subject column, like subject Imran, and then the whole sentence which gives a complete sense is called is my brother, predicate. सेंटेंस का वो हिस्सा जिसमें आप सब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं वो सब्जेक्ट में आएगा और बाकी सारा जो आपके पास सेंटेंस रह गया है वो आपका प्रेडिकेट कहलाएगा. क्या कहलाएगा? प्रेडिकेट कहलाएगा. As I give you one example, there are much more examples in the book. So let's move to the book to do the exercise. Now, open grammar book and page number 42, unit number 14, sentences. As I told you about the definition of that, a group of words which give us a complete sense is called a sentence. वर्ड्स का वो ग्रुप जो कि हमें एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस की इंफॉर्मेशन दे, मीन्स सेंस दे, वो क्या कहलाता है? सेंटेंस कहलाता है. कॉन्सेप्ट, एवरी सेंटेंस हैज़ टू बेसिक पार्ट्स. देन एज आई टोल्ड यू, सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. द मेन फोकस, द मेन थिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, एज इमरान इज माई ब्रदर, द मेन थिंग इज इमरान, सो इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट. देन वी हैव प्रेडिकेट. The part of the sentence other than subject is called predicate. Sentence का वो part जो subject के अलावा सारा है वो क्या कहलाएगा? Predicate. As you can see, Imran is a subject and is my brother is predicate. Example, he is reading a story. He, subject, is reading a story, predicate. Now, second one is my father is a teacher. My father is a subject, is a teacher, predicate. This cat, subject, was sleeping, predicate. You can make it in your mind that subject is the main or focus point of the sentence, as he, my father, this cat. And predicate is the whole sentence remaining left from the subject is called predicate. Let's move to page number 43 to make it more clear. Like write the definition of sentence as we are learned the definition of sentence on page number 42. A group of words which gives a complete sense is called a sentence. You need to rewrite it on that page number 43. Then we have tick if the following group of the word is a sentence and rewrite this blank given below. If the group of words is incomplete, complete it and rewrite it. Okay? हमें कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, अगर तो वो complete हैं उनके आगे हमने tick का mark करना है. If it is not complete, we need to complete it on and write it in the blank form. Okay? Like, you are a soldier, it's a proper sentence. Give the complete sense. So, it's the right one. We need to tick in front of that sentence. Next is our flag is. It's incomplete sentence. You need to put our flag is green and white. Green and white. It's a complete sense of that sentence. I saw a long snake. As it's give the complete sense, so we need to tick in front of that sentence. The horse ran fast in the jungle. It's the complete sentence and make proper sense. So write tick in front of that sentence. My cousin was sleeping. My cousin was blank. There is a blank. We need to complete it on my cousin was sleeping. This is the sentences we are going to do it. Then we have on page number 43, there are some other exercises related to that topic. Complete the sentence by writing a predicate for every subject. हमें कुछ subject दिए गए हैं बेटा, we need to write the predicate for it. आप खुद से भी लिख सकते हैं, you can write it as like it written in front of you, but you need to write it by yourself so that you can make the proper structure of sentence. Like you have subject, you need to put the predicate in it. Like my mother is a housewife. If someone mother is a teacher, they can write teacher. Someone mother is doctor, they can write doctor. Then we have the king. The king is helping other. We are eating food. Their car is amazing. The woodcutter is an honest man. See, there are some subject we need to complete it by putting some predicate in it. You can add it by yourself or you can write as it is written in the screen. Read the sentence below and separate the subject and predicate in the following box. As I told you, we need to write subject in the subject column and predicate in the predicate column. Now there are some sentences you need to put subject in subject column and predicate in the predicate column. Amjad is watching cricket. Amjad is a subject, so Amjad is put it in the subject column. Then is watching cricket, it's predicate, you need to put in the second row. Many flies are in this room. Many flies is subject, are in this room is predicate. We take breakfast at 7 o'clock. We is a subject. Take breakfast at 7 o'clock is predicate. My elder brother is wearing a cap. My elder brother is subject, is wearing a cap as a predicate. A lizard is on the wall. A lizard is a subject, is on the wall is a predicate. There are some sentences in which we can separate subject and predicate. Then we have, let's learn the spelling of the following verbs. We have verbs like borrow, B-O-R-R-O-W, borrow. Then we have lend, L-E-N-D, lend. Dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Pluck, P-L-U-C-K, pluck. Sow, S-O-W, sow. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Sift, S-I-F-T, sift. Decorate, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E, decorate. Arrange, A-R-R-A-N-G-E, arrange. Trust, T-R-U-S-T, trust. Touch, T-O-U-C, touch. Appear, A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. There are some words we need to learn their spellings to use it in our daily life. That's why they are given in your book. Hopefully you are done with the sentences. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. If you just understand the concept of the sentence, then you will able to identify what are the subject and what are their predicates. Hopefully you will learn a lot with this. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you.